Good morning, fourth graders and parents. Here we go with what to do for today. So I've got your directions right here, and when this video is done, you'll find the video here too. So, for 9:21, to do. Morning meeting. Make a Seesaw video sharing what it looks like when you are listening to a teacher. So I want you to actually explain what it is you're doing. That is something that we're working on a lot of. What does it look like? So I want to make sure that you are able to teach someone what it would look like. Writing, you're going to answer the Flipgrid questions right here and respond to 2 others. And it's just sharing ideas for stories. So a time you were embarrassed, a time you lost something, a time you didn't get your way. So you're going to share those videos, or you're going to make a video sharing that, and then you're going to respond to 2 people with what they said. Math, complete the task using the picture that was sent home. So let me explain math a little bit, and the Flipgrid link is right here, by the way. So for math, here are the directions. Use the picture that was sent home. I've attached a picture of it too. Mark it up with examples of math, such as patterns or shapes. So if you see any patterns, if you see any shapes, circle them right on it. Do whatever you need to do. And then tomorrow, you're going to make a Flipgrid video where you share what you noticed. If you don't have it, then just look at this picture and be ready to share on Tuesday. Reading, you're going to complete the form. So I'm going to show you that right here. So this is a Google form like we use in lunch. There's a little bit of a difference though. So you'll type in your name. Then you have this video to watch on prefixes. And here's your learning target on why you're doing this. Excuse me. So when you play the video in a form, it's very, very small. So this is what I recommend. You click this little YouTube icon, and it'll take you to YouTube.
We just had the most...
If you have an ad, just skip the ad. Now, when you get to your video, what I recommend is you click here to make it full screen, and then you can see everything going on. And if there's something that doesn't make sense, you can pause it, you can rewind it like this. If you watched it and you need to go back to a certain part, you can go like that. But don't just watch this video one time and then move on if you're not clear on what to do. And then you have some questions that go along with the video. And then you click the submit button here when you're all done. So that's your reading for today. Let's go back and look at what else you have. Something new is you've got social studies and science. Notice that says this is due by Wednesday, so you've got today and tomorrow to get it done. So this is what social studies looks like. Click right here, social studies science. And you've got 2 Google slides to do. And the video I made for help on this is this video right here. There's going to be times where you have to do some writing, and when I tried this out, it wasn't always letting me write. So if you're able to write on the slide, awesome. If not, the directions do say any writing can be done on a Google Doc, and you can turn it here. You click over here on that plus, you'll be able to add your Google Doc. Label it, please, social studies or science, so I know what you're doing. So you do have to do both of these. Let's look right here. So one thing I recommend is being in present mode by clicking that present button that I just did. Because there are things to click, and then it makes it a little easier. So you can see right here that there's this video, so I click here, there's some reading to do. You should be able to use the app that I installed on some of your computers. If not, and it's not making sense, you may need someone at home to help you. You might have to be in this mode to read it. And then the other thing I'll say is there are instructions you can click on. There's activities. This is where it says click to write your prompt. I wasn't really able to write there. You can see when you click there it doesn't work. So just do that on a Google Doc. So this is just kind of working at your own pace. You can use arrows to go back and forth on it. And you're going to start having these once a week. And then just make sure to click turn in when you're done. And that is it. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a good day.